Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today I want to show you how to make a very quick, simple, and easy Halloween wreath. This might be the easiest Halloween wreath you have ever made. You just need a skeleton. How cute is this one? A twig wreath, one small piece of wire, and some fake cobwebs. So you just take your cobwebs and just, hook it onto all the little twigs. Then you take your skeleton, the wire, through the rib cage, so you can't even see it. And just wire him right into the wreath. Now you have a creepy Halloween wreath. If you want, you can also add these spiders. Add a spider or two. And there you have it, your creepy Halloween wreath.